Hi guys! Winter here! With Carlos Ale! And today we'll be playing Elemental Wars. So you can see I'm Thunder God level 13 and Carlos Zales Dice level 33. So he's like Oak. So let's watch his moves.
Oh?
Just kidding! Let's play!
Target na muna tayo ng isang tao. Masaya lumipad.
Yes, it is.
Pwede ako forever lumipad.
Pinost ko lang.
Yung?
Mabay din kasi ano eh. Nag-ano lang ako eh. Ginawa ko eh.
Yan na, play mo na.
Na-play ko na.
Lava pool, come over here!
Woo!
There's barrage.
Thunder!
Kill gun. Tayo. Luis, ano yung nasa likod mo?
Oh no!
Phoenix Flight! Nice, dude.
Sorry guys. You have to wait. Have to regen.
Mag-reset ako. Pangit na mga power ko.
Just kidding. We're back guys. So let's try to attack them all. Except
Dark delete?
Ali.
Luis! Light and darkness.
Nice.
Luis mo ba?
Attacking!
Ito ba yan? Wait. Wait, ikaw pa. Luis! The floor is water!
I dodge it.
Luis.
Yes. What is it?
Where are you? Stand still!
Never!
I'm just gonna test a move on you.
You're not going to hurt me!
Ay,
Oh dear. Hurry up!
bilis na! I said stop! Ang kulit mo ha. Gusto saan ka nang tumitira? Luis!
I'll be in my base.
Ang taas mo naman tulog.
Not good. I'm trapped!
Testing lang!
Never.
I said stop!
Try to catch me first.
Ang taas mo tumalon! Luis!
This is fun.
Nababayola ba?
No, I'm
I
not.
said stop!
Would you not water floor? No. You thought you can trap me. Oh dear, I'm unsitting. No.
Tumutak ka!
Nope.
Luis, ano ba yan? Hindi na nakakatawa.
Hey dear. I'm trapped.
Hindi na nakakatawa.
I don't wanna be killed. You're going to kill me.
Ako din. Isang move lang, hindi combo.
Sige, dun sa taas. Miss me up. Not good.
Gulo mo ha? Ang lag mo.
Not good.
Hindi na nakakatawa. Okay.
Stupid exotic? Ano yun?
Wala. Kausap niya sarili niya. Saan ka na?
Taas. Not good, not slime. Nag-slide down ako eh. Ash Greninja, so you're a Pokemon fan too. Ha, I love Pokemon.
Pinatas na ako. May tatas lang ko. Ba't ka ba tinanong tira? Parang baliw. Ba't nga? Ba't sobrang lag mo?
Daw sobrang lag.
Oo, sumobra ka na.
Sorry. Hala, may friend ako dito!
Sino?
J. Leon, Chain Fire.
Ice. Si Gilio and Kilio? Paano ang pangalan? Ba't ka ba tira sa talon ng talon?
Not my fault.
Okay, testing time. Ala!
Okay, ito na.
Ano ba ginagawa ng light wings? Di ba nag-i-invisible lang ako? Luis, huwag ka na maglaba! Papatay kita.
Sorry, nawalaga ka.
Ano ba ginagawa ng light wings?
Ali, kailan mo gagawin?
Bala
I came here.
Nagre-record tayo, ngayon mo yung sinasabi.
Sorry.
Ito lang.
What is that move?
Ewan ko nga, ito lang nag-i-invisible lang ako.
Try another move.
Wait lang. What the heck? Okay, ito na lang. Testing.
Nice move. That's my old move.
Ito.
Wind cutter.
Ito. The
Nice.
floor is water.
Not anymore.
Bakit ang moves ko?
Whoa, he died. I killed him. I killed him, everybody. He's level 33 and I'm just 14. I killed him. Ooh.
Luis, sino niloloko mo?
I killed him.
Phantom play?
Joking. He reset.
Explosive burn.
I'll be right back, guys.
Like a majestic eagle. Luis,
So I'm back. So let's keep training.
Dito ako natataas mo training.
Okay, I'm warming up there.
Luis, tino, pwede ko sa'yo pakita yung combo ko. Luis, pwede ko sa'yo pakita combo ko.
Sure.
Tino nga.
So guys, sorry. Nice.
Wait, nasan ka?
In other world.
Napunta ko sa ilalim?
Yep.
Wow. Like a majestic
we-
flying eagle.
We will be back, guys. With a new move. Thunder God Waves.
Can I say? Ah, yun. Alam ko yun.
Cool move.
Alam ko yun ah. Ayun yung nakuha ko
But
isang
not
beses.
strong
eh.
enough.
Nice, strong. Ba't mo ako pinapatay? Ikaw na nga. Do you really wanna die?
No, I don't wanna die.
Boy.
I don't wanna die. Ah! What's my next move?
Patingnan nga naman move mo.
Thunder Slash.
Ba't parang papangit? Luis, mamaya tumingin ka pang... Ayaw ko na lang titingin yung mga phone mo.
Guys, to make this video cool, awesome, I'm going to show you codes.
These 3 points to the bowl.
I'm going to show you codes, but first, I have to reset.
Sige, reset rin ako. Hindi ako ng mga powers ko eh.
Sorry guys, the last code is expired. But I hope it helped.
Sabihin mo lang ng lightning god code.
So, the code for bird is all letters must be in capital.
Labas yan.
So the code is Elemental Battlegrounds. And there's bird. Bird.
Eyeball.
Next code is Thunder. The code is Thun3R. It's Thunder God. But guys, sorry, the last code expired. So I hope it helped for the video. So let's get back to the tutorial.
Tutorial.
I'm in the game.
Eyeball.
I'll be back. I'm going to the cave again.
I'm PvP.
So guys, that's all for today. But me and Ali going to say something.
Tapos na?
Me and Ali will say something at the big rock.
Ano? Wait, I need to tell something.
Wait, I'm going to call Ali first. Ali?
Just pinatay yung friend mo.
Bumalik ka na doon.
Saan?
Sa big rock. Kasi yung video.
Oh, ay.
Kasi yung video.
Bilis naman. Sobrang saglit lang. Ano? Sobrang saglit lang.
Sige na.
Hindi, bala ka.
Big rock.
Uy, I got my dead move. I can fly like a majestic eagle.
Buti na yun. You're lightning bolt.
Where are you?
Lightning bolt. So, me and Ali going to say, don't forget to like,
Huh?
and
Huh? I can't hear you. Subscribe.
yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.